so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta. Welcome back to another Thursday. And just in case you have been living under a rock, let me enlighten you. JB, that's Justin Baby Bieber, toured to India and had a live show in Mumbai, and it was okay, I guess. And I had the privilege to go there. It was pretty amazing, and you know me, everywhere I go, I am that person sniffing for content, like content. So I thought, you know what, I need to do this. You need to know the types of people that I saw at the Bieber concert. Let's go. Number one is the crazy fan. We're gonna deal with the obvious first and then get into the weirdos. ये वाले fans ना वैसे होते हैं who have been saving up and prepping for this very day in their life even before Bieber decided to make songs. They will fight with their parents, family, society, world to make sure they attend this concert. These are the sort of fans that flip at anything. Like you could be walking on the roads and you see a helicopter and just be like, oh, maybe there's Bieber in that. Oh my god, Jasmeet! Kaisa hai bhai? These are the fans who have things painted on their face. These are the fans who will do anything, and I mean literally anything, to get JB to notice them. Number two are the flip switches. Now these are very interesting type of fans. So I remember there was this one person standing right behind us who was like that, and that is the person who inspired me to make this video. Say, hey, flip switch. Thanks, bruh. So basically, these are the people who will be standing in a crowd being the most desi they can, going इससे अच्छा तो बाबा साइकिल होता है, बाबा साइकिल जैसा रैप करके दिखा तो मानूंगा जस्टिन बीबर. Just in, just get out, अंग्रेजों बाहर जाओ, Simon go back. Justin Bieber, Bieber or Barber, he needs a haircut. And the moment Justin comes on stage, oh my god, I love you, Justin, baby Justin. And while these flip switches are very much existent, there's also one more type, that's the reverse flip switch. These people are the people who are going like this before Justin Bieber comes out. Justin! Oh my god, I'm a huge fan. Justin! I will take my shirt off if he looks at me. Justin, come on! And the moment Justin Bieber comes out, oh, it's hilarious. Number three are the guardians. These are the poor people who many years ago decided to have a child. These are the parents or the elder brothers or the elder sisters or just like mama, mami, atya, whoever is around the city where Bieber is having a concert, who have to spend an unreasonable amount of time and money to go and look at a person who they have no idea exists. You got it, Justin? Acha, Timberlake. Also it's really easy to spot them in the crowd where like 100 people are going. There'll be this one person like. Number four are the Coachella enthusiasts. I've been saying this all the time that a Justin Bieber concert in Mumbai is the closest India can get to a Coachella happening. Like I was there at the venue, and on my way to the venue in the cars around the area, all I could see was Coachella. Oh, cute Coachella, trash. All these girls who were like 6 to 7 years younger to me were dressed on fleek. Their makeup was on point, their hair was perfect, they had all these glittery stickers on their faces, they were wearing clothes I could only dream of having. I mean, all I could think of back then was, oh my gosh, I was an embarrassing teenager. Like imagine all these girls looking on fleek, and then there was me 10 years ago dressed in 12-pocket cargo pants with t-shirts that read Chanel. It wasn't Chanel. I mean, these girls were dressed in as skimpy clothes as they could. Like Bieber was going to come on stage, spot them and be like, I am going to marry you, you're going to be my third wife, and you are coming home with me tonight, let's go. Number five is the Jugadu. Now, I don't know how relevant this is in countries that are like not India, but if there's a concert in Mumbai and you expect that everyone around there has paid for the tickets they have, then
didn't you get that free?
Hey, that being besides the point, there's always going to be these people there who are like, we were invited, we've got like sponsor tickets. My dad's like a politician. भाई MP की बेटी हूँ, कमिश्नर खुद छोड़ के गया तेरे भाई को गेट पे. I don't need ticket baby, I am ticket. जिस जमीन पे तेरा DY पाटिल खड़ा है ना, वहाँ पे गिल्ली डंडा खेलते खेलते बड़े हुए हम. chal, hut, chal. And finally, number 7, and the most unfortunate type of people at the Bieber concert are the ladders. Now, these are the people who have been dragged to the concerts through various levels of emotional blackmailing, mostly by their girlfriends, because A, they're tall, B, the girls are short, and C, the girls want to be on top of the guys. On their shoulders. So these are the people who are very uncomfortably standing in a very, very stinky crowd with their girls sitting on their shoulders, just trying to have a great time, but yeah, I'm sorry, man. Alright, you guys, so these were the types of people I met at the Bieber concert last night. If you were there and if there are any more types that you saw, because that was obviously my first concert and I was like, whoa, this is a zoo. Put it in the comments below so I'll know. Awesome, that's about it. Don't forget to come up with new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should do that because guess what? It's free, you cheapo! Subscribe. I'll see you guys again on Saturday. If you have any fun Sawal Saturday videos, make sure you leave them below with the hashtag Sawal Saturday so I can answer them. Okay, bye. Till we meet again. Love. What do you